Capcut vs Canva, which is better? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a comparison review between Capcut and Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, both Capcut and Canva are user tools that allow you to create visually stunning content. However, there are some differences in their features, interfaces, and performance. Since Capcut is an application primarily focused on video editing, it offers functionalities such as trimming, cropping, rotating, adjusting speed, applying filters, adding stickers or text overlays to your videos. And additionally, you can even create slideshow, collages, or animations using Capcut's interface while being on the move. On the other hand, Canva is a platform that specializes in graphic design and visual content creation. While it does offer video editing capabilities like Capcut does, with fewer options available, since Canva excels in creating logos, flyers, posters, banners, infographics, social media posts, among others, in which it provides a range of templates and graphic elements to suit your preferences. And Canva offers both desktop and mobile application, although the online version provides a range of features. And now, to know more about details about Capcut and Canva, we can now proceed on its comparison in terms of their user interface and user experience. And as you can see the features below in terms of platform feature, Canva offers online, desktop, and mobile app, while Capcut provides mobile app only. And in terms of focuses, Canva focuses on graphic design and visual content creation, while Capcut focuses on video editing and animation. And in terms of templates features, Canva offers a wide range or a variety of templates for different purposes, while Capcut offers limited templates for video slideshow and collages. While in terms of its elements, Canva offers a large library of graphic elements, icons, stickers, and etc., while Capcut offers fewer elements, mostly stickers and filters. While in terms of its editing tools, Canva offers a basic tool for cropping, resizing, rotating, and many more, while Capcut offers advanced tools for trimming, speeding, and slowing, and many more. Now in terms of customization feature, Canva offers a high level of customization for colors, fonts, layouts, while Capcut offers low level of customization for transitions, effects, and many more. Now in terms of its performance, Canva offers a fast and smooth but requires internet connection, while Capcut offers fast and smooth but consumes more storage space. Now moving on to its design capabilities and features comparison. In terms of graphic design features, Canva offers a high level of graphic design capabilities with a large library of templates and elements for various purposes, while Capcut offers a low level of graphic design capabilities with limited templates and elements for video, slideshow, and collages. While in terms of video editing features, Canva offers a basic level of video editing capabilities with some options for cropping, resizing, adding music, text, and stickers, while Capcut offers advanced level of video editing capabilities with many options for trimming, speeding, slowing, adding filters, transitions, effects, and animations. And in terms of animation features, Canva offers a basic level of animation capabilities with some options for creating animated graphics and videos. Same on Capcut that also offers a basic level of animation capabilities with some options for creating animated graphics and videos. Now in terms of AI features, Canva offers some AI features such as background remover, content planner, and smart mockups, while Capcut offers some AI features such as magic music, smart cut, and extract stickers. Now in terms of collaboration features, Canva offers high level of collaboration capabilities with options for sharing, commenting, and editing design with others, while Capcut offers low level of collaboration capabilities with option for exporting and importing projects. Now moving on to their performance and quality comparison, in terms of speed, Canva offers a fast and smooth but requires internet connection, while Capcut also offers fast and smooth but consumes more storage space. And in terms of resolution features, Canva supports HD resolution for videos and graphics, while Capcut supports HD resolution for videos only. Now in terms of quality, Canva offers high quality for graphics but lower quality for videos, while Capcut offers a high quality for videos but lower quality for graphics. Now in terms of file size, Canva smaller file size for graphics but larger file size for videos, while Capcut offers large file size for videos but smaller file size for graphics. Now in terms of export options, Canva supports various formats for graphics and video such as PNG, JPG, MP4, GIF, and many more, while Capcut supports fewer formats for video such as MP4, MOV, and many more. And now that we know the performance and quality comparison, we can now proceed to the pros and cons of this platform. Starting on Capcut, the pros of using this is that it offers user interface that's easy to navigate, offers powerful video editing tools and animations, mobile-friendly with an option for offline use, and free to use without any watermarks. And now the cons of using Capcut is that it offers limited graphic design capabilities and templates that is available, and fewer options for exporting and saving files in different formats, and larger file sizes that consume more storage space, and it also offers limited collaboration features. Now moving on, the pros of using Canva is that it offers extensive graphic design capabilities and wide range of templates, and it also provides a variety of options for exporting files in different formats, and also smaller file sizes that take up less online storage space, and also high collaboration capabilities with multiple sharing options. On the other hand, the cons of using Canva is that it offers basic video editing features and animations compared to other tools like Capcut, and it also requires an internet connection and subscription for premium features, and subscription needed for full access. It also offers lower video quality and resolution compared to some other platforms, so that means video output may have lower quality, and also watermark is added on the version. Now moving on to the pricing plans comparison of both platforms. Capcut is an app that you can use for free, in which it doesn't have any watermarks or subscription fees. However, keep in mind that it might take up storage space on your device, but if you're looking for features and 100GB of cloud storage, you can opt for the Pro version, and the Pro version is offered at pricing option at $17.99 per month for a recurring subscription, while $9.99 for a one-time subscription and $74.99 per month for a recurring yearly subscription and $92.99 for a one-time yearly subscription. On the other hand, Canva provides users with a version that has some limitations, in which they also offer a paid subscription that unlocks additional features, and the cost of the paid subscription is $12.99 per month, but they also offer a paid subscription plan price at $119 per year, which give you an access to options. And just remember that using Canva requires an internet connection, and the free version includes a watermark. And now in conclusion, both Canva and Capcut are tools for creating content, but they serve different purposes and cater to various preferences. Since Canva primarily focuses on design, allows users to create visually appealing design quickly by providing a wide range of templates, graphics, and fonts. On the other hand, Capcut specializes in video editing, offers an intuitive interface along with powerful features such as titles, transitions, and advanced editing options. But ultimately, choosing between Canva and Capcut depends on your needs and preferences. And if you require tools for both image and video editing, it would be beneficial to evaluate both platforms to determine which one aligns best with your requirements. So that is just a comparison review between Capcut and Canva. Thank you.